yung pricing dahil yun sa maling costing system. But don't worry, because we have something super helpful for you, the activity-based costing or ABC. So si ABC is basically a costing method na hindi bara-bara. Hindi siya yung one price fits all. Instead, it assigns cost based on actual activities used in production. Like if si product A mas gumagamit siya ng machine time than product B, edi mas mahal siya, di ba? Si costing accuracy is super important. Kasi if mali yung costing mo, unang-una, magkakaroon tayo ng overpricing. Pangalawa is underpricing na kung saan malulugi ka. At ang pangatlo is wrong budgeting. Magkakaroon ng gulo sa operations. So, sabi dito, if accurate si costing, magkakaroon ka ng better prices, better profits, and better decisions. Yun talaga yung blow up ng mga manufacturers ngayon. So, ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin si activity-based costing versus si traditional costing. Si traditional costing kasi, it usually uses one allocation base like labor hours. Pero in modern manufacturing, hindi na enough yun. Si activity-based costing naman is different dahil uses cost drivers. Pangalawa, it traces cost based on actual activities. At ang pangatlo, it removes cost distortion. So, may apat tayong steps in implementing ABC. So unang-una, you have to identify the activities. Next is to assign cost to each activities para alam kung magkano talaga. Pangatlo is to determine the cost drivers like machine hours or number of setups. And lastly is to assign cost to products based on how much they use each activity. For manufacturing companies dito sa Batangas, lalo na sa food processing, plastics, metals, ABC gives you una is more accurate product costing, better pricing strategies, clear view of profitability per product line, improve cost control, less waste and more efficiency. Lastly, competitive edge sa market. So, in sample costing scenario, for example, si product A, kailangan niya ng 5 machine hours. Pero si product B, ang kailangan lang 1 oras. So, sabi dito, ang pinagkaiba dito is, si traditional costing, pareho lang ang cost nila. Pero si ABC, hindi daw siya pwede. Bakit? Sabi dito, si ABC computes based on real activity. Tulad ni product A, mataas yung cost, while dun kay product B, lower cost. Ang nagiging result, may tamang pricing, no hidden losses, profitability made easy. As for contact information for assistance, we have call center, email icons, smiling staff. So, if you're a manufacturer in Batangas and if you want to switch to smarter costing, just contact your local accounting consultants or reach out to your nearest business support office. That's all. Thank you.